the topic fractions. What a fraction is. Fraction represents an equal part of a whole. Fraction represents an equal part of a whole. Means fraction is a part. Suppose your father brought one pizza and it has 6 pieces. And in your family there are 4 family members. You, your parents, your brother or sister. Your mother distributed the pizza. 1 piece for your brother or sister, 1 piece for you, 1 for mother and 1 for papa. You get 1 pieces, then 2 pieces left. What the parents do? They gave 1 piece to you and 1 to your brother and sister. Now, there are 6 total pieces of a pizza. Mother got 1 piece, father got 1 piece, brother or sister got 2 pieces and you got 2 pieces. 1 piece out of what? 1 piece out of 6. So we can write here 1 upon 6. Means mother got 1 out of 6 pieces. Father got 1 out of 6 pieces. Brother or sister got 2 out of 6 pieces. And you got 2 out of 6 pieces. What are these? These are called fractions, which represent the part of a whole. Like mother got 1 out of 6, father got 1 out of 6, brother or sister got 2 out of 6, and you got 2 out of 6. In these fractions, there are 2 things, the upper part and the bottom part. Upper part is called the numerator and the bottom part is called the denominator. There 1 is numerator and 6 is denominator. Fraction means numerator upon denominator. Now we will discuss about facts about fractions. The first fact we discussed was a fraction represents an equal part of a whole. And then we discussed about fraction means numerator upon denominator. Now we are going to discuss about proper fraction. What is a proper fraction? A fraction which have numerator less than denominator. Numerator less than denominator, that is called proper fraction. Suppose 2 over 5. This is a proper fraction. 3 over 7. This is also a proper fraction. Now, improper fraction. Improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is more than the denominator. Upper part is greater than the lower part. Like 5 over 3. 5 parts out of 3. It's an awkward statement like. So this is an improper fraction. So the difference between proper and improper fraction is, in the proper fraction, numerator is smaller, and in the improper fraction, denominator is smaller. Now we will discuss about like fractions and unlike fractions. Like fractions have the same denominator. As the name suggests, like means similar. Suppose there are fractions 3 by 8, 5 over 8, 7 over 8. These 3 fractions have the same denominator, that is 8. 3 out of 8, 5 out of 8, 7 out of 8. So these are like fractions. Next, unlike fractions. Unlike fractions have different denominator. Suppose 5 by 7, 3 by 8, 2 by 9. All these fractions have different denominators. So these are unlike, means not like fractions. Our next topic is unit fractions. Unit fractions have only digit 1 as the numerator, as unit itself means 1. So any fraction that is having 1 as the numerator, that is called the unit fraction, like 1 over 5, 1 over 2, 1 over 8. These all are unit fractions.